Hi, I'm Akila Katari. I'm back with one more video which tells about the MSG Store program. Here, whatever the functionality I have provided is that there will be multiple users and each user can have at most of 5 categories under him, and in that categories any user can put a message and any other user can give the reply to the present message or can place another message in that category. And these are all the constraints and these are all the functionality which I have provided using my MSG Store program, and I've done this using C. And the other main part is that here I wrote everything into a file, that is here I used one file. I stored everything in that file, and later on when the main usage of this file is that when next time when we run this program also all the present messages will be present in this file, so that will not become a big problem. For the next time we can find all those users and all in that file, and we'll be unable to recognize each user based on their password and username. So here I used message file, binary file. Message file is the file which I am going to store all these users and their categories and their messages in that file, and it's a binary file. Now comes to the structures. What I have used is that one is the message structure, other is the user structure, and one is for metadata. And the message structure can have a message, or it may be a message, or it may be a reply. For that I have used that one. And here the messages are what I have done is that messages are linked in a single linked list format. So now comes to the program. Here we'll execute the code and you can come to know the flow of the program. And this is the first part where we need to either log in, register, or exit. So let us suppose if we register to this one, and this is the, you need to enter for register, its number is 2, right? So 2, and name is, let's suppose, Akila, and the password is the same. Okay, then you can see the options which were, and you'll come to know that welcome Akila and all, and then you'll find the 4 options which I have implemented in my program. One is view users, then it will display all the users present in this one, and these are the 3 users which are present. And when we click the user number, then we will get into those categories under that user. Or if you want to go back one step, then you need to press -1 to go back, and then you can see view categories means you can view all the categories under all the users. So these are all the categories under users present in these MSG Store. So these are all the categories. If you want to enter into those categories, then you need to enter that particular number. Let us suppose we'll come from first onwards, view users, and let us suppose entered 3. Then actually there are no categories under Akila. So what we need to do is we need to create the category, or we need to enter into some others users categories. So let us suppose 1. Under Katari there are 5 categories. As I told you, we can't create one more category extra, and you cannot create the category under some other user. You can always create the category only under your username. So the other thing is that now if we enter into the sports, then there is a message called, then this message will placed by Akila, that is Katari. If you want to keep the message again, enter 0 option, then you will get let us suppose hi Katari, then it will come over here, that is the second message. If you want to see, now you place the message in the under that category. If you want to see the reply to your categories, then you need to enter 2, and there are no replies are present. So let us suppose if you want to go one level back, then if you want to see the replies under Katari, that is the first message, hi everyone, then let us see. Here there is one more reply given by Akila Katari. If you want to give the reply back, then create a new reply, enter option 2, then hi, let us suppose Katari, then this is the replies present over there under that message. and these are all. Now you can even delete the message, that is if you enter 2 and enter the message number, then if you enter 2 then the message will be deleted, and when a message is deleted then all the replies under that messages are also deleted. This is the functionality which I have done. And then if you view all the categories, or you can create a new category, then you need to enter 3. Then suppose let it be games, then you have created a new category, right? Then you can view them under view categories, and or you can even view them under your name, that is you go to the users and 3, then you'll get the games. And if you want to see the messages under the games, then you need to enter the corresponding category number, then you will be getting the corresponding messages. If there are no messages, then it will provide you no messages are present. So this is the flow of the execution, and I'll tell you the program how I have written for that one. And for this I have used, if we go one level back and if we tell now exit, it will exit the user, but not the complete program. Now if you want to exit exactly, then you need to enter 3. That's all. Then this is the program. For this I have used the bit vector, and I wrote the bit vector, and for this I have took one 8 MB file and I have divided it into particular block size, and each block is maintained using this bit vector. This is all about the program, and thank you.